URSAPHARM is a pharmaceutical manufacturer. We are currently the market leader in Germany and across Europe for products concerning dry eyes. URSAPHARM has experienced consistently strong growth over the past few years. We market our products in over 80 countries across the globe and have over 700 employees in our Saarbrücken location, as well as those employees belonging to our sister companies abroad. The topic of digitization is a big challenge for us. We are a company which has many different brands, many different products, and which does a lot of marketing. And for this, we need a tool which handles these processes for us quickly and in a simple way. We looked for a tool in which we could store all digital marketing content, the key word here being digital asset management. We also wanted a solution which allowed different kinds of product information to be centrally saved. We are talking about PIM here, or Product Information Management, and we wanted a solution which made it possible to approve all marketing material in a quick and easy manner.
As a manufacturer of pharmaceuticals, our activities take place in an extremely regulated environment. This means that we have to demonstrate to the authorities with whom we work that we can fully track the approval process at every step of the way. This is where Censhare really helps us, in proving to these players that our work is of a high quality.
Our approval process before Censhare was extremely time-consuming because it was manually driven and paper-based. Depending on the circumstances, this would sometimes take more than a week to happen. The process in Censhare, however, has become much simpler and so much faster. All stakeholders now receive the document requiring approval at the same time, can make their changes or approvals simultaneously, with the approval being immediately relayed digitally to the brand manager. We now achieve one approval cycle per day on average, which corresponds to 3 to 4 times as much output as before. That, of course, acts very much like a turbo boost for marketing. So much so that we actually need to hire more people in order to be able to get all of the content we are producing out there.
It has slimmed down previous structures and above all improved speed, be it in terms of approvals, the creation and completion of materials, or even the implementation of ideas.
What I like about Censhare is that I have all the information that I need in relation to my products in one central place, that I have all the content on my brands in one place, and that I can start and manage the approval cycle of my marketing content from precisely this location. And of course, thanks to Censhare, we save money. It increases the pace at which we can develop and approve materials, which makes us faster and stronger. We expect to continue to benefit from this cost-saving potential in the future, and we are still far from having implemented everything from Censhare that we want to use. For example, the approval of packaging material via the system, or indeed the implementation of the online channel, and the translation functionality which the system also offers us.
What we've gained from Censhare is time, transparency, and efficiency.
Through Censhare, we at URSAPHARM are getting ready for digitization. This, of course, frees up breathing room which can be used in other areas, for example, in creation.